Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 135. Let's just finish this row off here. We've got 1, 2, 3. Looks like we're missing a 4. For this box then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 there, so this is our 6. A 9 here, so 7, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 5, a 1 here, so 4, 5. Oh, we've got this 5 here, so that means this is our 1, 4, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this row, we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5, and a 9 here, so 1, 5. That means our 9 has to be here. For this row, we're missing a 1 and a 5. We've got a 1 up here, so 5 and 1. For this column then, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this box then, it looks like we're missing 1 and 6. I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so this is our 5. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. And that 6 makes this our 1, 6. And that 1 makes this our 5 and 1. We look at this column then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3 and 1. For this row then, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box then, looks like we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. And to finish it off, for this box, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4 and 3. And there we have today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.